Good morning, class. Let's all stand up for the prayer. Christine, lead the prayer. Amen. Good morning, class. Before you take your seat, let's have some energizer, okay? Okay, thank you so much for the participation, everyone. Is there any absent today, class? Okay, very good. Maintain your perfect attendance, class. So, let's have some recap about our lesson or our last meeting. So, can you recall it, class? Okay, Mark. Very good. Apple. Okay, thank you. So, it seems that you have already understand our last lesson. So, now let's move to another lesson. So, before that, I will give you some activities. So, get your papers and ball pens. So, I will just give you 5 minutes to answer this activity. Okay? This one. So, the time starts now. Okay, time's up. So, pass your paper forward. Now, before we discuss our topic for today, let's know first the objective of this lesson. The objective of this lesson is, at the end of the lesson, the students will be able to explain the concept of systems of linear equation, solving the system of linear equation using substitution method, solving the system of linear equation using elimination method. So our topic for today is system of linear equation. So class, what is linear equation? Okay, James. Thank you. Okay, Chinaya. Oh, very good. So, system of linear equation is a system of linear equation is a set of two or more linear equations. So we have here an example of linear equation. We have here 4x minus y is equal to 9. And the other equation is 3x plus 4 is equal to 5. So this example has two linear equations. And the other example, it has a more linear equation, just like this. Negative 2x plus y is minus 3z is equal to negative 7. Then 5x minus zy plus 3z is equal to 15. So, in the example, we have to know whether it is true or false if a linear equation. So, we have here 3 and negative 1. So, this is the order pair. In order to know if a linear equation is true, just substitute the order pair to x and y. So, example, the first equation is 4x minus y is equal to 9. So, the value of x is equal to 3 because our ordered pair is 3 and negative 1. So, the value of x is 3. The value of y is equal to negative 1. So, for example, 4 times 3 times negative 1. So, it will be 4x, 3 minus negative 1 is equal to 13. And so, 9 is not equal to 13. So, it is false. So, the next equation is 3x plus 4y is equal to 5. So, we have to substitute x and y. So, 3 and negative 1. So, the both sides are the same. So, it is equal. So, it is true. So, the answer is 5. So, now, let's move to another topic. Solve a system using the substitution method. So, what is substitution? Okay. Colleen. Okay, very good. Thank you. So, substitution is to put in the place to another. We have here an example for substitution. So, the first equation is 6x plus 2y is equal to 4. And the second equation is 5x plus y is equal to 10. So in order to solve a linear equation system using substitution method, first step, solve one linear equation for y in terms of x. So we must solve, or we must find the value of x. So this would be the expression of y. So we have here 5x plus y is equal to 10. So we need to transpose the 5x to the left side in order to find the expression of y. So we have here the 5x plus y is equal to 10, and transpose 5x, so it will become 10 minus 5x. So the second step is we need to substitute the expression for y in the other linear equation. So we have here 6x plus 2, so we need to put the substitution here. We need to put the substitution. So it will become 6x plus 2 times 10 minus 5x is equal to 4. So in the third step, we need to find the value of x. So we have here 6x plus 2, the quantity of 10 minus 5x is equal to 4. Then, we need to get the answer. So therefore, we have 6x plus 20, because we need to times it. 2 times 10 equals 20. Then, 2 times 5 equals negative 10x is equal to 4. Then, combine like terms. So, transpose 20, so it will become 4 minus 20 is equal to 16. Then, both sides divide the coefficient, so therefore we have x is equal to 4. So, negative divide negative is equal to positive. So, the solution is 4 and negative 10. So, our ordered pair is 4 and negative 10. So, this would be the ordered pair to know if the equation is true or false. So, let's try the equation number 1. So, let's check. So, the equation number 1 is 6x plus 2 plus 2y is equal to 4. So, we have here, substitute 4 to y, to the x, I mean. So, 6 times 4 plus 2 times negative 10 is equal to 4. So, the both sides are the same. So, this equation is true. So, 6x plus 2y is equal to 4. So, next is the second equation. 5x plus y is equal to 10. So, we have to substitute x to 4. 5 times 4 plus negative 10 is equal to 10. So, we have here 5 times 4 equals 20. Then, minus negative 10. So, 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. So, bring down the coefficient. So, 10 is equal to 10. So, the both sides are the same. So, the equation is true. So, now, let's move on to the other example or next example. So, this is an example of linear equations 1 and 2. Just like the same example. So, we have here 3x plus 2y is equal to 16. Then, second equation is 7x plus y is equal to 19. So, the first step, we need to find the expression of y, which is y. So, we need to transpose 7x to the right side. So, it becomes y is equal to 19 minus 7x. So, next step is to substitute the expression for y. So, we have here 3x minus 2. So substitute 19 and 7x is equal to 16. So we have here 2 times 19, then 3x plus 38 minus 14 is equals to 16. So the value of y. So we have here transposed 38 to the right side, to the left side. And then the next step is to combine like terms. So we have here negative 11x is equal to negative 22. So then divide the both sides of the coefficient, which is 11. Then the answer is 2. So this will be the value of x. X is equal to 2. Then now let's find the value of y. So we have here, we need to use the expression of y, which is y is equal to 19 minus 7. So just substitute the value of x, then which is 2. So y is equal to 19 minus 7 x, then substitute 2 as the x, then we have 19 minus 14 is equal to 5. So we have y is equal to 5. So we have the value of y, that is 5. So therefore, the solution is 2 and 5. The value of x and y is 2 and 5. So this would be the ordered pair. So to check if the equation is true or false, so let's check. So this is the first equation. 3x plus 2y is equal to 16. So we need to substitute x for 2, then y for 5. So we have 3 times 2 plus 2 times 5 is equal to 16. So we have here 6 plus 10 is equal to 16. So 6 plus 10, 16 is equal to 16. So the equation is true. The first equation is true. So let's go to the second equation. 7x plus y is equal to 19. So substitute the x to 7 times 2 plus 5. The ordered pair, or the y, substitute for 5. So we have here 5 is equal to 19. Then 7 times 2 is equal to 14, and bring down 5 is equal to 19. 14 plus 5 is equal to 19. So it is equal. 19 equal to 19. So our equation is true. Both equation 1 and 2 are true. So class, did you get it? So gets ba? Okay, good. So now let's proceed to solving a system of linear equation by using elimination method. So what is elimination? Anyone? Okay. Ira. Okay, very good. Anyone? Okay, Justin. Okay, thank you. So, solving system of elimination method, either of the two method, which is substitution and elimination method, their answers are same as the both method. So let's try the elimination method, and also we still have the equation we need in the substitution method. So in order to know that their answer is the same as the substitution method, that elimination method, you either add or subtract the equation to get an equation. So this is the first in solving system of linear equation. using elimination method. So first step, we need to multiply each equation by a suitable number so that two equations have the same leading coefficient. So we have here the two equations, the negative 6x plus 2y is equal to 4, and the quantity of negative 2, 5x plus y is equal to 10. So to eliminate the one variable that we have the same variable in the another equation, so we need to pick one of the equation and multiply it to the number positive or negative number in order to which variable will be eliminated. So for example, in this equation number 2, so we will multiply it by negative 2. So in order to eliminate this one variable, so negative 2, so there is 5x plus y is equal to 2y plus equals to 1. So we have here 2 times 5 is equal to negative 10x. Then negative 2 times y, so we don't have any variable for 2. So we have here 2y. Then 2 times equals 20. So we have, 10, we have negative 10, 20. So we have negative x plus 2y is equal to negative 20. So next step, we need to subtract the second equation to the first equation. So in order to eliminate the one variable of the both equation, we need to add or subtract from another equation, which is negative 10 plus 6x is equal to negative 4. So we have here 6x plus 2y is equal to 4, or we need to add negative 10 plus negative 2y is equal to negative 20. So 6 plus negative 10 is equal to negative 4x. Then positive 2y and negative 2y minus is equal to 0. So we have here 4 plus negative 20 is equal to negative 16. So we have here negative 4x is equal to negative 16. So we need to divide the both sides of the coefficient, which is negative 4 and negative 16. So we have the answer x is equal to negative or positive 4. So as you can see, or as you can observe, using the equation that we use for substitution method, it is the same with this method, the elimination method. So which is the value of x is 4. So the next step is we need to solve the new equation for y. And the fourth step, we need to substitute x into either equation number 1 or equation number 2. So, and solve for y. So, we will use the equation number 1. So, we have here 6x plus 2y is equal to 4. So, let's use the equation number 1. So, to find the value of y, so the equation number 1 is 6x plus 2y is equal to 4. So, the value of x is equal to 4. So, 4 plus 2y is equal to 4. Then, combined like terms, so transpose 24 to the left side. So, we have here 2y is equal to 4 minus 24. So, 2y or minus is equal to 4 and negative 24. So we have 4 minus 24, we have negative 20. So divide both sides to the coefficient. So we have here y is equal to negative 10. So therefore, the solution is 4 and negative 10. So our order pair or our x and y is 4 and negative 10. So same as the solution of this equation using the substitution method and the elimination method. So now, let's move on to check if each equation is true or false by substitution, the x and the y, or the 4 and the negative 10. And let's see the equation. So now let's check in each equation if it is true or false. So the first equation is 6x plus 2y is equal to 4. So we need to substitute, or the order pair is 4 and negative 10. So we need to substitute the x and the y. So 6 and 4, substitute x to 4. So 6 times 4 plus 2 times negative 10 is equal to 4. So 6 times 4, we have here 24, and negative 20 minus 20 is equal to 4. So 24 minus 20 is 4. So bring down 4. So we have 4 is equal to 4. So which is, the equation is true. Then, let's proceed to the second equation. So we have 5x plus y is equal to 10. So substitute for 5 times 4 is equal to 20. Then 5, then negative 10 is equal to 10. So 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. Bring down 10. So we have here 10 is equal to 10, that which is, the equation is true. So therefore, the two equations are true or is true. So now, any clarifications or questions? So no more questions, class? So now let's have an activity. So count 1 to 3, start from the back. So each group choose a leader and a presenter in order to present your output in front. So okay, let's start, and I will just give each group 15 minutes to answer. So please be guided to our criteria. So if there are any clarifications, questions, just approach me. Okay? So start. Okay, time's up. Post your output in front, and the presenter of each group be ready. Okay, everyone is excellent. So the result of your activity, so group 1 got 95%, group 2 got 97%, and group 3 got 96%. So all groups did a great job today. So clap for yourselves, everyone. So now let's have a short quiz. So get some 1/4 sheet of paper and answer the following questions. So everyone in the class had a great job. So I will not give an assignment. So yay! Okay, class. Thank you. Goodbye. And thank you for listening. I hope you had a great time with me. So thank you, and God bless, and keep safe, everyone. Bye!